Good afternoon, Vinny.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing really good right now.
So, what did you have today? Which test?
So everything going actually very smooth, but yeah, probably I did like several like minor mistakes, but the examiner actually really helped me, and yeah, I can do it like more comfortable and don't really get nervous.
So today it was your what first attempt, isn't it? And
Sorry?
how today you gave the exam for the first time?
Yes, I did it in the first time.
And how many times you gave?
How many times did I do
You attempted the exam?
the exam? No,
Only
one.
first time?
Yeah, the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you passed in the first attempt.
Yeah.
How was your experience with KAR Skillz?
Everything. Yeah, you've been like helping me very much. Like you always remind me like everything about the signal, about the giving way, and almost like everything. So yeah, you helped me through a lot with this.
And I was referred to you from your friend, isn't it?
Yes.
Sultan.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, then enjoy your driving. Have a safe driving.
Yeah.
And best luck with your license.
All right. Thank you so
Bye.
much.